Hi, my name is Wesley Price. This is my website. It's called the Alaskan Explorer. I did it through WordPress because I was doing a blog. I read many great things about it through other bloggers and came highly recommended. So this is my website. I tried to create some categories that would appeal to people wanting to come and visit Alaska. This one's about my adventures in the great state of Alaska. It's a recent adventure that I went on with my family here. Um, there's a moose hunt. There's some pictures there. And then I also tried to appeal because of people coming to see the great state of Alaska during the winter. I made a post about the Northern Lights and then included some links to some of the friends of mine that have their own resorts here in the state of Alaska. And one day hope that they will share my blog if I get enough traffic. One way that my source of revenue for my website that I wanted to do was an affiliate network. I was trying to go through Cabela's, but was unable to get them to accept me because I was just creating the blog. So I needed more traffic to show that I could support that kind of thing. But Amazon accepted me, so I created a few links to products that I have and enjoy. And one thing that was hard to measure was the conversion rate with an affiliate link. So uh, but one way I can measure that is going through my Amazon account. I'm able to see how many people clicked on my links and then how many conversions I had. I didn't sell any products through my affiliate links, but I had I had a few clicks, and actually, the majority of my clicks came from when I shared them on social media. I had probably the most traffic in one day or over a 2, 3 day period than when I ran my Google AdWords campaign. So that's kind of a testament to the social social media compared to Google AdWords. And my Google AdWords account, I was successful enough to get over 3,000 impressions and about 83 clicks, spending about $96. It was a fun campaign. I found that I wasn't spending enough there in the beginning, and for the last week, I actually bumped it up to about $15 a day and watched it carefully so that I didn't go over my budget that I wanted to spend. With far as Google Analytics, I found out that after running a Google AdWords campaign and sharing a little on social media, I had quite a few visitors that came directly, believe it or not, because I stopped my campaign well before the end of April, and I got 12 users on a Friday. I found Friday was my most active day for my blog. And here's my duration. Average session duration was about a minute. When I first started, it was about a minute 30, so I was feeling pretty good about myself. And then it gradually went down from there. But I had a great time trying to uh, come up with blogs that people wanted to read. Something I wanted to do in the future was add Google AdSense or something like it to where I was actually going to drop my affiliate links and go with more of a ad campaign for my website here in the future to see how that worked if I had any more success. But I'm just trying to build my customer base right now and hoping that people will take an interest in this kind of thing. Trying to network with other blogs and write for them so that I can get my website out there. Thanks for checking out my presentation, and thank you so much.